Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib ID. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this logo easily by using Adobe Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, at first you have to set up a page. To do it, you have to click on the create new. Then select this from here, then click on this box and type at 3.5. Then click on this box and type at 2. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, you have to select the pen tool. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key and click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then select the move tool. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select this and double click on here. Then select this color. Then click on the OK. Then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select the pen tool from here. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key and click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then double click on here, then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then select the move tool. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then press and hold Alt key and click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to double click on here. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under these layers. Then select the move tool. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold Alt key and click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then you have to double click on here, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select the move tool. Then select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold Alt key and click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then double click on here, then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then select the move tool, then drag this in here. After that, you have to select this, then you have to right click on this, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color from here. Then you have to select this, then drag this in here. Then select this, then click on the color, then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Then you have to click on the OK again. Then select this, then right click on this, then click on the blending option. Then you have to click on the gradient overlay. Then you have to click on here, then click on the blues. Then you have to select this color from here. Then you have to select this, then click on the color, then select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this and drag this in here. Then click on the OK again. Then click on the OK. Then select this, then right click on this, then click on the blending option. Then click on the gradient overlay. Then click on here, then scroll down from here, then click on the grace. Then you have to select this color from here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select this and click on the color. Then select the white color. Then click on the OK. Then click on the OK again. Then you have to rotate the color from here. Then you have to click on the reverse and click on here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then select this and drag this in here. Then you have to select this again and click on the color. Then select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to select this. Then right click on this and click on the copy layer style. Then select this. Then right click on this. Then click on the paste layer style. Select this. Then you have to drag this in here. After that, you have to select these layers and press and hold Alt key. Then take you up from this. Then click on the anchor point. Then right click on this. Then click on the flip vertical. Then select this and drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select this layer. Then drag this layer in here. After that, you have to select the background layer. Then unlock this layer. Then click on the backspace. Then you have to press Ctrl plus Shift plus S1 from keyboard. Then select the location. Then type the logo name. Then select the PNG format. Then click on the save. Then click on the OK. Then you have to press Ctrl plus Z button from keyboard. Then press Ctrl plus Z again. After that, you have to open the mockup. So I'm opening the mockup from my PC. After opening the mockup, you have to double click on here. Then select the logo. Then click on the backspace. Then you have to open the save logo. Then select this and drag this in here. Then increase the size of this and drag this in here. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then you have to select the text tool. Then click on here. Then type the company name. Then select the text. Then click on here. Then increase the size of this. Then select the move tool. Then increase the size of this again. Then drag this in here. Then double click on here. Then click on here. Then select this color from here. Click on the OK. Then click on the tick mark. Then select the move tool. Then increase the size of this. Then drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. Then select this and drag this in here. After that, you have to press Ctrl plus S1 from keyboard. Now here you can see the final result. So friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe to the channel to more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.